What if you're overwhelmed with tax debt, but you're barely able to meet your monthly living expenses? Is there some program the IRS offers that can resolve this or put them on a hold while you get your financial life back together? Well, yes, there is, and it's called Currently Not Collectible Status. I'm going to share what that means and how you qualify for it. But first, I'm Jim Flauaus. I help taxpayers who have trouble with the IRS. I help them resolve their tax debt and their stress and perhaps even settle the tax debt for less than they owe. One of the programs we employ for people who are not able to cover their monthly expenses and then also make IRS payments on their debt is called not collectible status or currently not collectible. You also see it called CNC. So, how do you qualify for this? Well, you qualify by submitting a 433 to the IRS. The 433 is the Financial Collection Information Statement. On this statement, you uh, give to the IRS in, income information, expense information. What are your monthly living expenses? They will then measure that against their standards and their allowances for food and housing and clothing and transportation. And those standards and those allowances are based on your family size, where you live in the country, other financial metrics. But they measure, okay, are you covering your necessary living expenses? And then also, what equity do you have in your assets? I've had people come to me and they say, I just have no income. I just have, I'm retired. I'm on disability. I can't afford this IRS debt. And then lo and behold, you find out, well, yeah, but they have a pension account and they also have a crypto account, and the crypto account has way more in it than they owe the IRS. So yeah, they don't have current income. They're not working. They're retired. They're disabled, but they're not in a not collectible situation because they have the assets that could pay the debt. But if you don't have assets, basically all you have in the bank is what you have to live on for the next month. Your income covers your necessary living expenses, but no more. In that type of situation, federal law actually prohibits the IRS from negatively impacting the health and well-being of your family unit by demanding that you make payments above and beyond what you can reasonably afford. And so that's not collectible status. What does it mean? How does it benefit you? Well, it puts the IRS on hold. All collection efforts cease. No more garnishments of paycheck, no more seizures of money in your bank account, no more collection letters, no more payments to the IRS. All of that stops for up to a year, maybe two. In fact, it probably will be 2 years if nothing changes in your financial situation. The IRS would come back to you and say, hey, please resubmit your financials. Let's see if you still qualify. Short of that, unless you win the lottery or suddenly you're in a self-employment situation and you win a big contract where someone's reporting to the IRS income on a 1099 or a W-2 or a W-2 for a gambling win, unless the IRS is tipped off that your financial situation has changed, you have a couple of years to get back on your feet. The IRS will then come back and say, hey, let's, requalify, which is fine. But all that time, the IRS collection clock kept running. The statute of limitations is continuing to get closer and closer to its end date. So that's really powerful. And if you think you qualify for not collectible status, you need help in determining whether this is right. You'd like someone to advocate for you. The way I always say it is you probably would not go to court without an attorney. I don't think I'd go to the IRS without representation. So we represent taxpayers. We're enrolled in all 50 states to practice before the IRS, to represent taxpayers before the IRS Collection Division, and to gain not collectible status or other resolution options that might be suitable for your situation. We can help. Contact me, hit the link in the comments or in the caption below, and set up a time that we can talk by phone. Let's see if you qualify and what that process looks like, what the fees might be to help you gain this status. And let's see if we can help, okay? It really is possible to put your IRS problem behind you permanently. I'm Jim Flauaus. We'll see you next time.